Today, let me show you how I turn this into this. A tiny watercolor sketchbook that I carry with me everywhere. You don't need any sewing or fancy tools, just a few basic materials. You can easily create this miniature watercolor sketchbook. When I paint outdoors, I like to hold my sketchbook in one hand like this. That's why I prefer a square format. It gives me the flexibility to paint vertically or horizontally. This special accordion format lets me see all my paintings at once. It feels like unfolding a tiny gallery of my memories. If you plan to paint only on one side, like I do, you will want to choose the side of the paper before folding. I like the slightly more textured side. Next, we'll attach them together to make one long accordion. Wait, something is wrong here. If I glue them like this, I can't fold it properly. Oops, I fold all three in the same direction. Let me fix it. The second one should be the opposite of the first. Once the glue dries, we are done with the pages, and you can see the connected parts are barely noticeable. Let's move on to the cover. The easiest way is to use thin paper boards like this, with just a few cute stickers for decoration. You can often find this kind of board at the back of an old sketchbook or paper pad. And that's it. A unique tiny handmade watercolor sketchbook is done. I hope this little guide inspires you to make one yourself. If you are curious to see the details of this sketchbook, have a look at my latest sketchbook tour video. If you want to explore watercolor in a simple and playful way, check out my online miniature watercolor course for beginners and enjoy 40% off for a limited time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. I'm Nan, a miniature watercolor addict. See you next time!